Good morning, Adel Elementary, and welcome to our virtual April Star Student Assembly. As you know, each month we pause and honor just a few students in each classroom for their achievements at school. Since we were unable to gather in person for the month of April, we wanted to bring that assembly to all of you through this video. In just a moment, the teachers will recognize the student or students from their classroom for our April assembly. At the end, we hope you'll join in on participating with our school chant and singing our Star Student Song. Thanks so much for joining in to recognize the accomplishments of these hard-working students.
This award goes to a STAR student for always coming to school with a bright smile and having a positive attitude about school. We love her happiness. This award goes to Chloe. This award goes to a student for working hard during guided reading time. She is always getting words started and thinking about what makes sense. Way to go. This award goes to Raven. This award goes to a STAR student that always is an enthusiastic learner. She is always eager to share her smart thinking with us. This award goes to Kimber.
This award goes to a STAR student for sharing his smart math thinking with us when we solve story problems. This award goes to Blake. This award goes to a STAR student for drawing detailed pictures to go with the books that she writes. This award goes to Charlie.
This award goes to a student for his excitement for reading. You enjoy sharing your deep thinking and diligently work to master all of your sight words. And this award goes to Tyson. Our next award goes to a student for her bubbly personality and positive attitude. You love learning new things and sharing your thinking with the class. And this award goes to Lark. Our next award goes to a student for his hard work during guided reading to learn all of his kindergarten core words. You are a word whiz. And this award goes to Eli. And our last award goes to a student for her love of writing. You create beautiful books with neat handwriting and detailed illustrations. And this award goes to Clara.
This award goes to a STAR student for being an avid reader and a careful mathematician. I am so proud of you. This award goes to Rebecca. The next award goes to a STAR student for being an awesome learner and trying her best in everything she does. You are so brave. This award goes to Sophia. The next award goes to a STAR student for bringing so much joy and laughter into our classroom. We are so lucky to have you in our class. This award goes to Crew.
This award goes to a STAR student that is becoming a very brave writer, and his books are becoming more engaging with each one he authors. He is working on neat, nice handwriting while creating good sentences to match his pictures. This award goes to Reed. This award goes to a star student that loves to share her good math thinking and the connections she makes while listening to read-alouds. We all enjoy learning from her. This award goes to Scarlett. This award goes to a star student that is a very encouraging friend. He uses his manners and does a great job modeling brave work and tries his best throughout the school day. The award goes to Bennett.
This award goes to a star student who is a neat worker. She works so hard to make sure everything she does is her best work. This star student award goes to Lexi. This award goes to a star student who is a kid of character. He works hard to solve problems on his own and brightens our room with his laugh and smile. This star student award goes to Colin.
This award goes to a star student that comes ready to read every group time. Keep it up. This award goes to Kinsley. This award goes to a star student that is a math rock star. He is working hard to learn all of his facts. This award goes to Tate. This award goes to a star student that is so creative. We love to see his wonderful illustrations in his books. This award goes to Dax.
This award goes to a student that is such a kind and caring friend. You are always thinking of ways that you can help your friends and teachers. You make our classroom a better place to be. This award goes to Charlotte. This award goes to a student that always perseveres in the classroom. You never give up on a task and are always willing to try something new. This award goes to Kipton. This award goes to a student that works hard throughout all parts of the school day. You are always up for a challenge. This award goes to Hank.
This award goes to a star student that is always so eager to share super smart thinking with everyone in the class. You're always pushing our learning one step further. Awesome job. This award goes to Gavin.
This Star Student Award goes to a student for the joy he brings to the classroom with his big hugs and his effort to do his best in reading and writing. This award goes to Lincoln. This Star Student has amazing books. She has incredible details and a variety of story ideas. You are always standing on the shoulders of other authors. This award goes to Emmy.
We are AE Tigers. AE Tigers. We are AE Tigers.
We treat our friends with kindness. We treat our friends with kindness. Star, star student, shine. Star, star student, shine. We work hard every day. We work hard every day. Star, star student, shine. Star, star student, shine. We are awesome learners. We are awesome learners. Star, star student, shine. Star, star student, shine. treat our friends with kindness. We treat our friends with kindness. Star, star student, shine. Star, star student, shine. We work hard every day. We work hard every day.